a team.
We do the work to find solutions with guidance from our coaches and mentors.
We know our coaches and mentors don't have all the answers. We learn together.
We honor the spirit of friendly competition.
What we discover is more important than what we win.
We share our experiences with others.
We display gracious professionalism and cooperation.
We have fun.
Embed these core values into your day-to-day work so you can maximize efficiency and cooperation within your team. Unity, help from mentors, sportsmanship, and all these other values will help you excel.
During the first few meetings, the coaches should give fun challenges to the students to see how well they can perform the task at hand. This will also help later on in collaborating, creating the project, and working on the robot.
The first step in the season is to come up with strategies that the team might use to complete the task at hand. Students should be able to brainstorm their own ideas, but can have the help and guidance from mentors. Making small groups will ensure that you retain as many ideas as possible, and everyone's input should be included, so that you can maximize the amount of creative ingenuity.
At the start of the season, you will be given a challenge or a real-life situation that you will need to create a project for. A similar theme will be found in the robot game. Also, you will need to build the field and set up the pieces found in the field kit. This is where you will practice for the robot game.
Your team must create a robot that is able to perform the challenges given by the competition makers. When designing a robot though, you should collaborate with all your peers to complete that task.
Everyone's ideas should be implemented, and the robot should be created after considering what the team wants the robot to do. Remember, coaches and mentors are there to help. However, the work should primarily be done by the students.
Additionally, the project is a major part of any FLL team. This project will take quite a bit of time though, so be sure to gather ideas as a team and assign specific roles to each student. It's important to continue researching and refining your project throughout the season, along with the robot.
Make sure to engage in outreach and spread the word on your robot. Ask professionals and other respected members in your community for their input on your project. Remember to embed this advice into your presentation.
At the end, all your research should be displayed in one presentation, which the team will then show to judges on competition day. Throughout this process, make sure to create time for more team building activities and continue to improve on your robot and your project to be competition worthy.
If you have any questions, leave a comment on this video. In the description box, we have a list of contacts from Team 75.
Click on the top right hand corner to watch our video on what exactly to do on competition day.
Good luck, and remember to always exhibit gracious professionalism.